Look at that for texture. That has a wonderful texture actually. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Rick. Today we are making Seitan chicken. That's right, we're cracking on with it. It's false chicken. This is a good recipe. It's got good texture. Let's show you how to do it right now. Right, in this bowl then we're going in there with our vital wheat gluten. And we're going in there with our nutritional yeast. So to our flours we want to add our seasonings. And just give that a little whisk through. Mix all that in there. Wet ingredients: veg broth, soy sauce and some oil. Combine it in there. So just bring that together in there. Just bring it all together. You can see it start to get sticky already. And then what we need to do is give it all a kneading to bring it together. Just get it in there. Now if it's too dry, in with a little bit of water. So just take it out of the bowl and form it up a little bit. Okay, that's our Seitan chicken. So just flatten it down. We want it about 1/2 inch thick. There we are. All we need to do now is cut it into squares because we're going to make chicken breast chunks, he says. So we're going to cut this up into reasonable size squares. We're looking there. It looks like layers of meat. So nice and steady, then just cut through. I mean, look in there. And we know it's not meat, but come on, let's give it a go. There we have it. So pan on, in there with our veg broth, a little bit of soy, and we're going to go in with a splash of olive oil. Flame on, right, in with our Seitan. Okay, Seitan in there, and what we need to do now is we do not boil this water. It has to simmer for about 40-45 minutes. So we get some little bubbles on there, simmer it for 40-45 minutes. There we are, nice gentle simmer going on in there. We just leave it now for 40-45 minutes. Okay, we need to be getting that out of that pan. Look at that. That looks superb. Put it on here. So there we are. Seitan made. Just look at that. Amazing. Look at that for texture. That has a wonderful texture actually. Oh, but what does it taste like? That is obviously not chicken, but you know, it's better than tofu. It's got a lot better texture than tofu actually. It's got a texture like meat. It's a lot better texture than tofu. If you like eating tofu, that is amazing. It's way better than tofu. It's got the texture of meat. It's got the taste a bit like cross between tofu and meat. It's actually okay. Now, if you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. We'll catch you in the next video.